Trying to figure out how to fix this. Found out what the problem is. There's a cut right here in the valve stem, so I need to change out the tube inside of it. As soon as I can get a tube, I can get it changed out. Okay, I got a 10-inch inner tube. See if that's going to work. Okay, what I found out is that these are 14mm nuts, and I'm gonna have to use 14mm deep socket to get these off. Get those nuts and get that bolt off. So I got that, and I have to pull all 4 of these off in order to separate this so I can get the tube out. So in order to do that, I got to put the camera down. So okay, I got 3 of them. 1 more to go. Okay, one side of it came out right here. I'll get the other side out. Okay, I can see the cut in the stem right here, and this comes right out like this. The tube was right down in there. I just have to pull that tube out. Okay, I got the tube out, and of course, here's the cut right here. So, put the new one in and put everything back together. Okay, I'm just making a comparison to make sure that the old one fits the new one. I'll pull this off right here. Okay, I got it about halfway in. It's going in pretty easy. Okay, that didn't take but a few minutes, but I got it in there. Okay, so all I have to do is just put these back in and put the bolts back together, and that'll be it. Okay, and this part right here slides over the stem, same way it came out. So that slides in just like that. And the stem comes all the way out just like that. Okay, I got everything back together. So all I have to do is put some air in it, and that's all to it.